Hi guys, so today we are doing our presentation about AACS2034, Fundamental of Computer Networks. So for my team is Team 6, so there's 3 members inside. Myself is Kenneth Wong and my teammate Weng Siang and Oon Ka Chun. So we are from DFT Year 2 Sem 3, Group 13. So here's the table of content, so there's 8. First of all is about us, so TechX Solutions Sdn Bhd is a leading technology company based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, specializing in delivering innovative and customized IT solutions to businesses across various industries. With a team of experienced professionals and a commitment to excellence, we strive to empower organizations with cutting-edge technologies to drive growth, enhance efficiency, and achieve digital. So, for the network scenario, we have 3 locations, such as location A, location B, and location C. So for the location A, there's 3 departments and there's 3 levels. Each department has 1 department. So the second level is administrative department. The first level is sales department, and the ground floor is customer service department. So for the location B, is 500 meters from location A. There's also 3 departments in that building, such as gaming tech, big data hub, and cyber security. So another location is location C. The location C placed 200 meters away from location A. There's only 1 department in that building. That department is research and development labs. So here's the whole network design. There's 3 buildings you can see. So each department, there's so many end devices and switches and so on. So for the end devices, we have PC, laptop, server, printer, IP phone, TV, tablet, smartphone. And for the switch, we have switch PTMT, router PTMT, wireless device, access point PT, multi-layer switch. We're using 3650-24PS multi-layer switch. And for the one emulation, we're using cloud PTMT. For the connection, we have 3 different connections. We're using copper straight through, copper crossover, and conceal. So this one is I've circled those I want to talk about it now. So the first one is the switch. The switch we are using is switch PTMT. So as you can see, switch is at the middle there. That one is the main switch. So before switch, there's a router PTMT that is connected to the main switch. Then after the main switch, we have the multi-layer switch. Multi-layer switch, we are using 3650-24PS multi-layer switch. Then after that, we have access point. So we are using access point PT to link those wireless devices. And other than that, we also have one emulation cloud PTMT. So there's 3 connections as you can see, such as copper straight through, copper crossover, and conceal. So for the switch PTMT, we are using Gigabyte Ethernet to connect to the multi-layer switch. And for the router to the switch, we are using Gigabyte Ethernet too. And for the multi-layer switch, we are using fast Ethernet to the PC. And for the cloud, we are using COAX to the TV. As you can see, for the switch, we are using copper crossover connection to the multi-layer switch. And for the router, we are using copper straight through. And for the multi-layer switch, we are also using copper straight through. And for the cloud, we are using conceal. So as you can see, for our router, I have plugged in many plugs into the router, such as we are using the CGE version because we are using the Gigabyte Ethernet. Other than that, for the switch, we are using CGE also. So we are using the Gigabyte Ethernet too.
Hi, my name is Oon Ka Chun, and now I want to talk about the address design for the assignment. We have several departments which are administrative department, sales department, customer service, game tech, big data hub, and research and development labs. We can see that this table has mentioned the host required of all departments. And I use the formula host multiplied by 155% to calculate the host after 55% growth. For the next slide, it shows the summary table of all departments. First, we can see the table showing the maximum host, network address, CIDR, first usable address, last usable address, and the broadcast address. Now, I will explain the calculations. For the maximum host, we can use the highest host to calculate, and the amount of the maximum host must be more than the highest host, so we cannot take the 9 because 2 base 9 is smaller than the highest host. So we can take the 10 to become the maximum host. Next, for the network address, we can use the default address, which is 10.0.0.0 plus the maximum host. And the CIDR, we can use the total prefix link, which is 32 minus the host bit 10. And the first usable address, we can use the network address plus 1 to get the answer. For the example, 10.0.0.0 plus 1 can be 10.0.0.1. For the broadcast address, we can use the network address minus 1 to get the answer. Example, 10.0.4.0 minus 1 can get 10.0.3.255. For last usable address, we can use the broadcast address minus 1 to get the answer. Example, 10.0.3.255 minus 1 can get 10.0.3.254.
My name is Weng Siang, so I'm doing the part of the network configuration. We are take our one part of the department as our example for doing the presentation. So the first device is the R1 as the router. The interface is the gigabit, Ethernet 0/0, and the IP address is a 10.0.0.1. The MAC address is auto-generated after the connection, and the subnet mask is the 255.255.254.0. And then the default gateway is 10.0.0.1, same as the first IP address. So the next is the switch S1. The interface is the LAN 1. The IP address is the 10.0.0.2. The MAC address also same, auto-generate after the connection. And then the other switch is the division of the main switch. Each switch have their own end device, so we only take the 2 of the end device as our presentation. The first is the PC 1.1. The interface is the fast Ethernet 0. The IP address is the 10.0.0.7. The MAC address is auto-generated after connection, and the subnet mask and default gateway is same. The next is the laptop 1.3. The interface we are using the wireless 0. IP address is 10.0.0.22. The MAC address is auto-generated after connection, and the subnet mask and default gateway is same. The next is we are doing the network configuration for the router. We are using the command line interface. First, we need to into the interface, and then we insert the gigabit Ethernet 0/0. And then next we insert the IP address 10.0.0, and then the subnet mask 255.255.254.0. And then we need to insert the node shutdown to activate the router. For the switch, also same. We need to into the interface first, and then insert the LAN 1, and then the next is IP address 10.0.0.2, and then the subnet mask 255.255.254.0. And then also same, need to set for the node shutdown to activate it. For the next is to insert into the disk page, we need to press the desktop of the PC 1.1, and then the IP configuration to insert to the disk page. So we just need to type in the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway for this part. And then also same for the laptop 1.1, we just need to insert the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The next is the ping connectivity. We need to set up the connection for the one main end device. So the first is the ping 10.0.2.7, and then the next is 10.0.4.7. And then for the other one is also same but only +2. So 10.0.6.7, 10.0.8.7, 10.0.10.7, 10.0.12.10. And then this is our digital resource for our assignment. First is the Google Meet we are using for our assignment discussion. The next is the Google Doc we are using to doing our assignment information and all our report inside this. And the next is the Canva we are doing for the presentation slideshow, the thing that you see for now. And the next is the Cisco Packet Tracer we are using for doing the network design. And then the next is Luma Fusion, we are using for edit our video. And the last is YouTube and Facebook. We will upload the video to the social media. Thanks for your attention. Our presentation until here. Thanks.